Following on from the success of the world's most popular Forex trading platform, the Metatrader 4, the Metatrader 5 was born. Much like its younger sister, the Metatrader 5 is an evolved trading platform. It might look the same as the MT4, but it is not. It is faster, more powerful. It offers traders the ability to trade a wider range of asset types, and it contains an entirely new programmable language for the coding of expert advisors. MQL5, the new coding language of the MT5 platform, can be used to build and edit scripts for new indicators and strategies that can literally run the show through automated trading. It is simpler than its ancestor, MQL4, to use and requires little to no coding experience on behalf of the trader. Additionally, the MT5 offers even more indicators, order types, timeframes, and features for both newbie and more seasoned traders. MT5 is available through download, over mobile, or as a web trader for those traders that prefer to trade from any browser. And it opens up the spectrum of the financial markets so traders can now access ETFs, bonds, crypto, and stocks in addition to currencies. For those traders that currently use the MT4, transitioning across to the MT5 is a simple process. The MT5 can also be easily navigated by those new to its interface too. Assets on the left, multiple advanced charting on the right, and the ability to trade directly from charts, or open up a new trading window from the asset watch list. Now it's over to you. If you want to try out the latest and arguably the greatest online platform, download the MT5 at AvaTrade and take it for a test drive at one of the globe's most highly regulated and secure brokers. AvaTrade. Happy trading!